Axial flex sensor installation. Axial flex sensors measure the microflexure of mechanical elements such as shafts, beams, or differential structures. The steps are polishing the area, cleaning the area, gluing the sensor, and applying the protective silicone. First, we polish an area proportional to the sensor on the joist, axial or differential, thus removing all the rust and paint. To do this, we will use a radial with a millifoy or a circular grinder. To clean the area, we will use a cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Always wipe in the same direction so as not to spread the residue. This process has to be done with the truck empty. First, we remove the protective plastic film. Next, we remove the cardboard sheet, releasing an auto-adhesive film. Next, we apply 2 drops of adhesive to all the green circles. Then position the sensor firmly on the beam and press for 60 seconds. Once the sensor is positioned, it cannot be moved. If it has been twisted, it is preferable to leave it. Let the sensor rest for 10 minutes. Finally, apply a layer of protective silicone on top of the sensor, first around the edges and then over the entire surface. And distribute the silicone with the help of a trowel. After siliconizing, we must wait a minimum of 12 hours to move and load the vehicle.